What's up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. I do have the Lexus is still here. So the GS is still here, it survived. I'm not getting rid of the Lexus. This is a project car. It's a daily but at the same time project car. The reason I say that is my main goal with this car is to reach 1,000,000 miles. That sounds like a milestone, and it is a milestone. But that's the main goal with this car, is to reach 1,000 miles. I mean, not 1,000 miles, 1,000,000 miles, right? So, but in order to get to 1,000,000 miles, I have to get to 500,000 miles first. Right now we at, let me turn off that radio. Right now we at 175,000 miles, right? So, and the old videos that I had before, unfortunately I deleted them. What I would do is go ahead and try to look for them, see if I can find some that are still there that I can probably just post, because they were very informative, especially when it comes to replacing the PCV valve, putting the HID headlights bulbs and fog lights, the yellow fogs and all that good stuff. But yeah, the car's doing well. Like I said, I'm not getting rid of this car. It's one of the cars that right now is the oldest car that I've actually owned, right? Subaru was the oldest one I had, because I had that car for 12 years. But you know, this car here, I got it in October. The main reason I got it is because I missed something that was fast, and that's the reason why I got the Lexus GS350. Reason for the V6 engine and all, just something to help me with missing the Subaru, right? But now the Corolla, we sold it because the reason why we got the Lexus is because of the Corolla, and then I stayed for about a few months, about 7 months without a second car. And just recently, a month ago, we bought the 2007 STI, and you know, that's for another video. But you know, it's for those guys that follow me because of the Lexus GS350. The car is still here. Another thing I did not too long ago, I put a carbon fiber sheep knob, so I thought that was a cool touch. And also put this armrest thing, you know, at least to protect the leather that's here right now, because if I'm gonna reach 500,000 miles, I also want the leather to be kind of okay. As you guys can see, leather is still good. You know, it hasn't really worn out for a car with those many miles. The leather is still good. Same with the back seats. And yeah, man, so I will make a video for this car. Right now, let me show you guys the outside. Let me see, we'll able to see the outside. Right now, the only thing that I need to get is the as you guys see, we still have the fog lights, the yellow fogs. So the car is still good. I love this car. This is technically one of the best daily drivers I've had in a while. It doesn't handle that good in cornering, but you know, it's a big car. And as we spoke before, the suspension is kind of getting old, so I do plan on upgrading the suspension, but I'm not going to upgrade that until next year. We did spend quite a good amount of money to get the Subaru, so for you guys that know me pretty well, Subaru is where my heart is. You know, just because that's another platform that it's gonna downgrade. You know, most people don't think much about them. They say they blow up engines and all. Yeah, it's true, they do blow up engines, but it's just how you take care of them and which shop you take them to. So I've learned a pretty good lesson with that car. So yeah, but anyways, getting back to the Lexus, yeah, so far everything is good. Like you see, temperature is good. 175,000 miles. Everything still works on this car. The side mirrors work. Let me see, you see that? They fold, they open, so everything on this car still works. So, and I'm very happy about it though, because with those miles, you know, I'm not the first owner I'm not the first owner. And actually, looking at the Carfax report, I was actually the 4th owner. So this guy has been through 3 people. The last person that had it only had it for, I think, a couple months. I believe the reason why they got rid of it, they noticed the oil consumption and they didn't know what to do. They probably spoke with their mechanic, and the mechanic was like, get rid of it. It's about to blow up. It's not worth it. But that's why you have to take your time. When I bought this car, I looked at it and I felt something. I felt like this is a good car, and the changes that we've done with replacing the PCV valve and also replacing the spark plugs, that has helped a lot. You know, we don't have that oil burning issue anymore though. So yeah, man, it's all how you take care of your vehicle. you know, and oil changes. So I know we've made videos of this before, but another thing I did is rather than going with the 5W30, I went with the 5W40 weight oil. So that's what I use right now on this car. And so far seems to be working pretty well. Yeah. So anyways, guys, it's nice catching up with you guys, and and I'm back on YouTube. I will never delete videos like that again. I was just too emotionally messed up when they sold my old car, because the main thing was to get that car back. So that really pissed me off. But anyways, best thing is to always, get up and walk again. You know what I mean? Like, you can't just keep on the ground and not do anything. Life has to go on, right? So anyways, I'm just getting off work. This is Metro. For you guys who are familiar with DC, this is Maryland. This is the end of the red line, Shady Grove. Yeah, that's where I normally park the car though. So yeah, so anyways, let me not keep on talking for too long. I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, thank you, bye. Oh yeah, and if this is your first time seeing this video, please consider subscribing. Like the reason I made this video, there's a subscriber that asked me, hey, what happened to the Lexus? And I figured, it's good to make a video and tell him that the Lexus is still there. So, because some of these videos that we make, they help another person out, like especially this guy's known for oil burning. So, like the video I did with replacing the PCV valve and other goodies, they helped the car a lot. And actually, funny thing is, I was getting an oil change yesterday, and a couple of days ago. And the shop I go to, they said they had this lady with a LS Lexus. I don't know if it was a LS 460 or something. And she said that her car was burning a lot of oil. They say, hey, another good customer of ours replaced their PCV valve and the car is good. So that's what they did. They actually replaced the PCV valve on that. And apparently her car is not burning oil anymore. So for me, it was a PCV valve and the spark plugs. Because we noticed 3 spark plugs were completely gone. And also 3 coils were completely gone. So we replaced 3 coils and we replaced all 6 spark plugs. If I had the money, I think I would have just done all coils, but the other 3 coils seems to be in good condition. So all right, guys, yeah, man, so I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care, whatever you are. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thanks, bye. So yeah, Subaru's still here, but we're talking about the Lexus this time though. But yeah, one more thing that I needed to add is we need brakes. The rear brakes are completely gone. I've been knowing this for a while, and I'll be putting it on the back burner, but the next couple weeks I need to replace the rear brakes. Since we're doing the rear brakes, we might as well just do all 4. So we're gonna do the all 4 rotors and pads. That way that's behind us. So yep.